Hi guys! So, magre-review tayo today ng PGYTECH ND filters for the DJI Pocket 2. So, ito yung ating new location. Ayan, swimming pool and a lot of sun. Right now, wala po akong ginagamit na filter. So, let's try first the ND8. Let's try the PGYTECH ND8 filter. So, ilagay muna natin siya. So, ayan. This is the PGYTECH ND8 filter for the DJI Pocket 2. So, ayan. ND8. Okay. Next, so tanggalin muna natin yung filter. I-try naman natin yung ND16 filter. Wait lang. Ayan. So, right now, we're using the ND16 filter. Sorry. Ayan. So, ND16 filter. Okay, so let's remove the filter again, and then let's try the 32 ND32 filter. Wait lang. So this is the ND32 filter. Ayan. This is the ND32 filter. Papansin nyo, medyo darker na siya. Okay. ND32 filter. Okay, tanggalin na natin. Palitan natin ng ND64 filter. Wait lang. Okay, so we'll put the ND64 filter. Okay, yan. This is the ND64 filter. I think very useful sa 64 if talagang sobrang mataas talaga yung araw. Like, kailangan mo ng shades. Ganun. Ang use naman kasi ng ND filters is parang talaga siyang shades ng DJI Pocket or ng mga cameras. So, yan. So, let's remove the filter. Let's remove it. So, balik na tayo sa walang filter. So, this is the no filter of the DJI Pocket 2. Thank you.